Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc Raiders and you keep getting this error, the scenario is no longer available for matchmaking because it has expired with this error code ARMR0014, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc Raiders easily. So this error occurs when your date and time is set incorrectly. So if your date and time is set incorrectly, Arc Raiders has trouble connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu right here, date and time, and now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you select your time zone first. So just select your time zone correctly here. And once you're done with that, now click on set time automatically. And after that, wait for it to set it. And once it's done, now you're just going to click on to sync now on here and wait for it to sync. And once it's done syncing, now you can go ahead and play Arc Raiders and you will see now that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.